Let's take a look at the next report after donations, which is the Statement Summary Report. This is a great tool. The Statement Summary Report shows up in each individual user's profile. So each employee or each member of your organization or team member will have a Statement Summary Report. So when you look at this report, let's say you want to run all of the statement summaries of donations or payments for a given year. What you would do is you would select the year. We're going to select 2017. You select the minimum amount. It could be $0 or it can be $250 as required by the law for donations. And then you're going to select months and you're going to click on select all months. And then in this case, it's donations. So you're going to select all donors. And then you're going to click on filter. Once you click on filter, this will give you a summary report of all people within your database because you selected all donors. Now, notice as we scroll down here, you're going to see the name of the person, your organization's name here. You're going to see the date for Freddie Jackson, payment type, category, any notes that were put in the system, the amount that was paid or donated, and if it's tax deductible or not. As you look through this, you'll see different types of payments, different fund categories, etc. But all of these really show up on one master report, and I'll show you how in just a minute. So let's say for an example, let's scroll back to the top. Let's say you have 500 people in your database or 5,000 people in your database. You run this report one time and then you click on export data. When you click on export data, you're going to get a zip file. A zip file is something that you can double click and open into a PDF file. This PDF file is going to contain all of the statement summary reports for all of your people for the specified time period, whether it is 2017 or 2016. It takes a minute to download the report, but what you're going to find is that once this report is downloaded, here it is, you will be able to click on that report as we see here below. Here's a zip file to my left. I'm going to click on it and open it. And then it's going to open into a PDF file. Now, once that opens up, you see this here on the right hand side. I'm going to double click that. I'm going to open up the PDF file. And then you're going to see what I'm talking about. So I have several things open, so it'll take just a minute. But notice here, you have the PDF file. Okay. And here is Freddie's information. It has the fund categories here. It has the total amount given, payment type, notes. This is what he gets, and this is what in the donations world is a requirement for the IRS. So now below here, you have the contact information of your organization, and whatever you put here, the address information will come out. In this case, we just put Church Demo website, and then that's Freddie's information there. For larger donations or more frequent donations, here is what you'll see. Here's what they see. And again, with just one, file print, you can basically print all of the reports here and send them out by mail as needed. Okay. Now, the other thing you can do is if you go in the user's individual profile and go to My Statement from the Manage People page, you click on the person's name, you can actually get their statement and you can email it to them. Okay, so if you came here to People, Manage People, I'll show you how. Scroll down, let's pick on Marco Ceballos. Okay, I'm not sure if he's donated anything, but we're going to go to My Statements. When we go to My Statements, you're going to see here that it automatically populates his statement. No, he didn't give anything. Well, let's see. What about 2016? Nope, he didn't give anything either. What about 2015? And that seems to be a negative as well. Now, In the case that there is a donation, then we would see it. Okay? So in this case, let's see if anything comes up under 2015. Okay, there it is. We had to filter it. So he has one. Now, if you click on export data, this will export Marcos's individual statement summary, and then you can send that to him by email. So let's go back to financial reports. Let's go back to statement summary. And again, this is something that you can do very easily. If you don't want all of the people, you can uncheck this and just check, those few that you want. And then you come here and you select all the months. You can select 2016, just as an example. Again, they may or may not have any payments, but what I want to show you is you'll get the information that you query, and those are the 4 people we selected. So that wraps it up for the statement summary, but again, this is very helpful. You can print the entire report. It downloads as a zip file. Then you can unzip it, or you can go to people, manage people, then you can go to the statement summary of the person and only print out their statement.